1954. One of the world's most famous explorers, Admiral Richard Byrd, was sitting in a television interview. At one point in the interview, he said something that is still shrouded in mystery. He said that the world's greatest mystery has not yet been discovered. He said that there are some lands that will force us to rewrite the history of mankind. And that mystery is hidden in the most remote region of the world, Antarctica. But the question is, what did Admiral Byrd actually see? And why are some of his statements still the center of controversy? In today's video, we will find the answer to that mystery. Richard Evelyn Byrd was a U.S. Navy officer, pilot, and polar explorer. He was one of the most respected figures of his time. He led multiple expeditions to the North Pole and South Pole. He led 5 expeditions to Antarctica between 1928 and 1956. Under his leadership, thousands of people conducted research on the world's most unknown continent. So when he spoke about Antarctica, people listened seriously. (1946). World War II had just ended. At that time, the United States launched a huge military operation named Operation High Jump. It involved 13 ships, more than 4,700 soldiers, warplanes, submarines, and huge military equipment. The official explanation was that it was being conducted for military training in cold regions. But according to many researchers, the matter was not so simple, because the operation was to last a few months, but it was suddenly ended before the scheduled time. Why? This question still haunts many people today. At the end of the expedition, Byrd made a comment in an interview that later caused widespread discussion. He said that it was necessary to develop a defense system against enemy aircraft coming from the polar regions in the future. This statement seemed strange to many, because at that time no country in the world had such aircraft technology. As a result, various speculations began. Then came the famous television interview. There, Byrd called Antarctica the last great unknown region of the world. He said that most of this vast continent was still unexplored. Then he hinted at some things that later gave rise to numerous conspiracy theories. He said, Antarctica has abundant natural resources, coal, iron, minerals, and many more. But not just about resources. He speaks as if there is something else hidden there, something that could change our understanding of human history. Today, scientists know that under the ice of Antarctica are mountains, valleys, old river traces, vascular lakes. Some studies have shown that this region was completely different millions of years ago. But conspiracy theorists claim even more. According to them, there once was an advanced civilization here, which was later buried under the ice. However, no definitive evidence has been found for this yet. The mystery of the Peary Rays map. One of the most discussed topics in this debate is the Peary Rays map. This map, drawn in 1513, shows some coastlines that many believe are similar to Antarctica. For this reason, some claim that ancient people knew about Antarctica, although most historians believe that these explanations are exaggerated. Still, the fire of mystery begins to burn here. Why is Antarctica so mysterious? Antarctica is the most isolated continent on Earth. Due to its extreme weather and geographical location, research here is extremely difficult. As a result, many areas have not yet been explored in detail. This limitation further fuels the imagination of mystery lovers. Byrd's final hint. At one point in the interview, Byrd talks about future exploration. He hints a vast, unknown world still awaits humanity. He says, our knowledge of the Earth is not complete. There is much more to be discovered. These words later became the subject of discussion for many researchers and mystery seekers. Reality versus conspiracy. Here is an important point to remember. Admiral Byrd never publicly said that he had seen aliens, secret civilizations, or mysterious cities. Most of these ideas later came from the interpretations of various writers and conspiracy theorists. In the actual interview, he mainly talked about the potential of Antarctica and the unknown territory. Why are people still interested? Because it's human nature to explore the unknown. When information about a place is limited, it creates mystery. Antarctica is just such a place, vast, inaccessible, and still largely unexplored. Today, decades after his death, Admiral Byrd's name is still associated with mystery. Did he really see something that could change the history of the world, or have his words been exaggerated? The truth may still be hidden under the ice, but one thing is certain: Antarctica is still one of the most mysterious places on Earth. And as long as there is something unknown hidden under that ice, Admiral Byrd's story will keep people thinking. What do you think? Did Admiral Byrd really hint at a big mystery, or is it all just imagination? Share your opinion in the comments. Like the video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to learn more such mysterious history.